Our next lesson in this course on everything you need to know about e-commerce photography for your store is all about video. Adding video to your e-commerce store is on the frontier of innovation. It is one of the fastest ways that you can ensure that your company stands out from the crowd. It's how you can create intrigue, excitement, and conversion with your customers. But adding video can be intimidating, and so I want to break it down today for you in some ways that may feel not only easy, but exciting to try. Why is video so important right now? Well, you have Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to thank. I bet you didn't know that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. YouTube is an especially interesting place to find customers. Of course, we also are all spending way too much time on TikTok. If you're anything like me, it's put its algorithmic arms around you and sucked you in. And where would we be if Instagram wasn't copycatting other technologies on the internet? Recently, Facebook, aka Meta, announced that Instagram is going to put more preference on video. That means if you are finding customers either via organic discovery, influencer campaigns, user-generated content, or through your ads, video will be more important than ever in your Instagram strategy. I have 5 videos, 5 that you can try that are relatively easy to make, affordable, or completely free that can help you get some introduction to video before you make a big investment. Let's break them down. First is an unboxing video. Unboxing videos show your customers exactly the experience of opening your product once it arrives on your doorstep. Some of the best unboxing videos are done with a cell phone. It's authentic, easy, and of course, gives your customers a sense of their own experience. This isn't about being polished. This is about being purposeful and helping your customers truly understand exactly how they're going to feel when the product arrives at their own home. Show your product both from the cardboard box, but also any box that's inside. Take out each individual item, hold it in your hand, inspect it. If it opens, open it. If it can be worn, like a ring or a piece of jewelry, put it on. Really make that unboxing experience sing. If you find that your unboxing video is doing exceptionally well in organic social channels, then it's probably a great decision to invest in a professional quality one. At Soona, we have unboxing videos starting at as little as $500. It's a fantastic way to get started with high quality video when you know that you've got something really working on your hands. The second video I always recommend is a how to use your product video. How to use your product videos are exactly as they sound. They show the step-by-step process of opening your product, using your product, best possible outcomes for your product, any kind of before and after that might happen, and the feelings that you have at the end, the hurrah, you did it right. It's awesome. How to use your product is also a great way to start on your mobile device. Simply set up a phone and use your product. I see this best done with cosmetics companies, hair care companies, health and wellness companies, and fitness companies as examples, but it can be applied to many other categories as well. Again, once you've seen some traction with a homemade how to use your product, you can in fact start to invest more deeply here. These kinds of videos are especially important for product display pages. Give your customer that connective sense of, okay, sure, I went on the journey of seeing every image, but now I know how to use this product when it arrives on my doorstep. And of course, gives them great confidence that they'll do it right. Third is a user-generated content customer review. One of my favorite things to do is talk to customers. And so if you have customers that consistently leave positive reviews on the website, consistently give you 5 stars, consistently purchase, and are commenting all the time on social media, this is a great place to start. Simply ask them to pick up their mobile device and record themselves talking about the product. What did they love about it? What were the features that stood out to them? And keep it short, no more than 60 seconds. You are going to want to use this video everywhere, but you are especially going to want to use this video on TikTok and YouTube. Let me tell you why. Because YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, Anybody who's searching those product features or who's searching particular product categories or product issues is going to find this user-generated content and feel like they got helpful information. TikTok is also a fabulous place for this content because it helps break up your feed. Then it's not just the company promoting itself, it's your users affirming that they too would support this product and buy it again. The next type of content to introduce to your store is a simple 360 spin video. 360 spin videos show your product from every angle. It actually places your product on a turntable. That turntable is started, it's perfectly lit, it's perfectly framed, it's perfectly placed, and as the product spins around, the customer gets a full view of every angle of your product. Soona sells these videos for $93 each. I challenge you to find a better price anywhere on the internet. And it's also the type of content that really helps bring your product display pages to life. If you find that your product display pages need a little more love, a simple 360 spin video will do just that. My final video recommendation and my favorite video recommendation is a founder story video. Founder story videos are exactly what they sound like. The founder of the company recording themselves, talking about why they started the company, what inspired them, and who they hope to help with their product. These videos can be used everywhere. I'm not kidding. Put them on product display pages, put them on Facebook, put them in your ads, put them on connected TV, put them on TikTok, put them everywhere. The reason is that everyone wants to connect to others. We live in a virtual world where we all want to get to know each other better. We follow people, we follow ideas. And founders are some of the most exciting people in the world with wonderful ideas. Now, you may be scared. You may be worried that you're not going to do great on camera. Let me tell you, this is something anyone can do. Just try practicing by simply telling yourself your own story in the mirror. You don't have to record it first. You just have to watch yourself talk about yourself and see how you can make it better. Practice a few times and then share it with a friend. See how they react. See how being with a friend makes you feel more comfortable. And if you find that you simply cannot do it on your own, invite a friend over to ask you these questions. Why did you start your company? Who did you hope to help? And what do you hope they get from your product? Once they've asked you those questions, you've got 3 great videos you can now post across the internet. We wrap up each one of these lessons with a few things to avoid, and this video is no different. The first thing to avoid when thinking about video is overcomplicating your first attempts at video. Not every single video needs to be incredibly polished and incredibly professional. You can get away with content that is created on your phone, your laptop, or with your personal camera. You don't need every single video to be professional. And in fact, the DIY version can give you a clue where you should invest your moolah. The second thing to avoid is using video in just one place. Don't get stuck in the trap of thinking that YouTube is the place for video, so we just post it there, or TikTok is the place for video, so we're only going to post it there. Try to be intentional about using video on every platform that allows it. I even post video on Twitter, and I think I might be the only one. Using video on all your platforms allows you to create a cohesive experience, and we all know the algorithms are searching for more attention, more eyeballs. Videos help those algorithms keep that attention. And to put it bluntly, avoid long videos. Anything longer than 3 minutes is probably too much. You want to start short and sweet. Think about things that can be done in about 60 seconds. Your founder video can be longer, of course, because you probably have a lot of good things to say. But keeping those videos short and tight will keep your customers clear on what their next step is and actually get them to convert faster. You have truly got to believe me that video is the future. But if you don't believe me, just watch your own behavior. Do you find yourself checking out TikTok more often than you used to check out Instagram? Do you see that you purchase things more frequently when they have a video online? Or are you even just discovering that you're compelled to click on an ad more often when it's got moving images instead of still. Your own behavior is probably indicative of how we're all changing our behavior, and it's part of the future of e-commerce. Finally, I want to remind you, the future of e-commerce is always changing. And that's why our final lesson, lesson number 5, is all about what you can do to become a forward-thinking futurist as it pertains to your content. So if you're ready to be not only trendy, but setting trends, join me in our next lesson.